Page 9. Atoms. A Greek student named Democritus helped develop the idea of an atom. Democritus wondered how things were made. He imagined a piece of gold or any other element divided into very tiny pieces. Then Democritus imagined the tiniest piece of an element that could exist and still be an element. Democritus called this tiniest piece of an element an atom. Even though this idea of the atom was developed around 460 BC, it was over 2,000 years before anyone continued to explore Democritus's idea about atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of all things. They are like the big bricks used to build a house. Atoms are so small they cannot be seen with the eye alone, yet God created each one. For by him were all things created, that are in heaven and that are in earth, visible and invisible. Colossians chapter 1, verse 16. Imagine 100 brick houses being made small enough to fit on the tiny head of a pin. The bricks in the houses would be extremely small. However, an atom would still be smaller than one of those tiny bricks. Scientists must use electron microscopes and computers to make images of atoms. God created all atoms of each element to be the same size. For example, all atoms of hydrogen are the same size. God also created each atom of an element to act like every other atom of that element. Scientists may change an existing atom of a natural element by adding protons or neutrons, or they may split the nucleus in an atom of a natural element. Scientists can discover more about atoms, and they can change atoms. However, scientists cannot create new atoms. Only God can create atoms, and he finished his creation on the seventh day, as we read in Genesis chapter 2, verse 1 and 2. Thus the heavens and the earth were finished, and all the host of them, and on the seventh day God ended his work which he had made.